Boss, where you?
Or go in the car.
Where you pre boss?
All this time. What been a hunt down Siva for?
Gun run. Hold on.
Exactly. Butcher link with him because he could have get something on the block.
And over there, I try find a port for Miranda.
So maybe Anna just get Butcher did a try get couple things on the block. Maybe him did inner business with him.
And that give me enough reason for come for him.
This bigger than what up on the surface. We need to go talk to Butcher.
You agree? Just say the word.
We'll get a couple more days. And then we'll go link him.
Why you never want me to come with there for now?
I appreciate that's not safe for you, Marissa.
It's not safe for you either. Because you told me say you're Siva and I'm a part of the next politician. You don't feel like safe for reporting.
That make no sense, Marissa.
What you mean it don't make no sense? Once you feel like your life in a danger, you have to report it.
I understand. You involve police in this, Marissa. My past life, I want everything dig up back. That I put me in a further trouble. Just I try to change my life right now.
I understand say you want to change your life for me. But once him know you're alive, he might come after you. But by the way, are you it is them got funeral?
But by myself.
Yeah, idiot Butcher. We never link with it is them and got the funeral.
Marissa, just go pay my respect. The friendly it is still not linked with me.
Someone may ask you something. So none of that two of them may talk to you?
Ah man. You know if it's just short 1 and 2 times and check in.
So why you never go in vicious then?
This just never make it time for now.
So you got a funeral for one policeman who you not even know. All him do is clean up the community and people just respect him. You don't know him in person and you alone got a funeral.
Yes. I one reason I go there so. Because I know say it is the baby mother. Memorial day like. No say they do a special day for him. No I'm not go over there. If they truth, see if she buried. No, at first it is about this.
Yet still you go over there and you not talk to him. You did got the graveside?
Babes, I know I never talk to it is. As me I move off Mrs. Silva, you know. See him man a politician. Nah like drive a look fear and so I just move off.
So Sebastian,
No, I don't think so. I'm just move same time now.
what's going on with you though? You have a business for the man and none of your friends them are there around. You know say you're still alive and you can point him out to him shoot you.
Nah lie still babes. First I feel so confused. Not even know what to do.
Make me tell you what you go do. Make who you have a restaurant, go around it off. Me will monitor it, but you are gonna stop up on the man. You need to talk to the police. What happened to Miss Brissett? You need to talk to them. You need to talk to your friend them because you alone up and down not safe. So if you don't plan to do what I say, you gotta stay so by yourself. I love you, but me love my life more. I nurse you back to health. I'ma never have a problem with it. But me no want fear look for your body in a church in a no castic. So you decide what you want to do.
And listen to your babes. And take your advice. And shout it is. And chat to Miss Brissett. Make them know I full of jealousy. Still all want clean up too. You don't want serve over there.